Hello, everyone. Today we are going to look at three pictures. We will practice slow and easy English. If you hear this video in any language other than English, that means YouTube is automatically dubbing or translating into another language. Please go to your settings and change it back to the original audio. Okay, look carefully at the photos. What do you see? What are the capybaras doing? Let's begin. Picture 1 at the beach. In this picture, I see a family at the beach. A family. It is a sunny day. The sky is blue. The ocean is calm. Calm. The mother capybara is sunbathing. Sunbathing. She is lying on a beach chair. She is lying on a beach chair. She is wearing sunglasses. She looks relaxed. She looks relaxed. The father capybara is fishing. He is standing near the water. He is holding a fishing rod. He looks happy. He looks happy. One child is building a sandcastle. One child is building a sandcastle. The child is using a little shovel. The sandcastle is big and tall. The other child, other child is drinking juice. The juice is cold and orange. Orange. The child is sitting on a towel. The family is having a good time together. They look peaceful and happy. They look peaceful and happy. Okay, pause and practice. Can you say these words with me? Beach, beach. Ocean, ocean. Fishing, fishing. sandcastle, sandcastle. Juice, juice. Sunbathing, sunbathing. Good job, guys. Very good. Okay, now picture number 2. Picture 2. Family dinner. Now, let's look at the second picture. The family is inside their house. They are sitting around the dinner table. They are sitting around the dinner table. The table is full of food. I can see bread, vegetables, and drinks. The family is eating dinner together. Everyone looks calm and comfortable. The mother is smiling. The father is holding a fork. The children are eating quietly. There are decorations on the wall. I can see plants and pictures. The room feels warm and cozy. The family is spending time together. They are enjoying their dinner. Okay, that was a little faster. Did you understand? Pause and practice. Repeat after me. Dinner, dinner. Table, table. Bread, bread. Vegetables, vegetables. Very good. Together, together. Perfect. Okay, picture number 3. Okay? Okay, picture number 3. The last picture. Bedtime. Now, let's look at the last picture. Now, let's look at the last picture. It's nighttime. The moon is outside the window. The moon is outside the window. The family is relaxing in the living room. Relaxing in the living room. One parent is reading a book. The children are listening carefully. Listening carefully. They are holding stuffed animals. Another parent is drinking a warm drink. Drinking a warm drink. Everyone looks sleepy and peaceful. Everyone looks sleepy and peaceful. One little capybara is sleeping in a soft bed. The room is quiet and cozy. The room is quiet and cozy. The family feels safe and happy together. Did you understand? Okay, let's practice our last set of vocabulary words and then you're finished. Fishing, fishing. Drinking, drinking. Eating, eating. Reading, reading. Sleeping, sleeping. Building, building. Listening, listening. Excellent job. Very good, guys. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for listening with me today. Thank you for listening with me today. I hope you enjoyed these cute capybaras. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.